Hi guys, welcome back to watching Nelly Doing Things. I am back again to talk about some makeup. So the makeup we're going to be talking about today is actually some cuties that came out just a little while back. I was like, trying to figure out how I want to do it because there's so many of them that I was happy and glad that I was able to snack up and grab. So today we're going to be talking about is the ColourPop LOVESTRUck cute little mini eyeshadow palette. So I did get 4 out of 5. I didn't want to get the red one, y'all. I think it was Cherish. I didn't want to get that one because literally I'm burnt out of red palettes because of Christmas time. So I'm still like getting off of that red kind of high that I had during Christmas. So I was like, I'm not doing red. I'm not doing red. So I did get all the other 4 though. Before I dig all the way into these cuties, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things. And also don't forget to leave a comment below. And also don't forget to hit the notification button while you're down there as well. So just to start off, these palettes do retail for 10 smackers. And they are, of course, the ColourPop's website. I don't believe they're going to put them in the Ulta stores that I know of, but hopefully in the future they do because they are very, very cute. And they're pressed powder palettes, 5 shades in here. So the first one I'm going to start off with is Ballad. She's cute. I usually, if you guys know on this channel, I hate taupes, hate them. But this one's more on the grayish tone for me. So when I actually had this look on, I'm not going to lie, the last 3 colors. So actually Drama, Fate, and Proise. I did buy this palette just for those 3 shades. The other 2 I was like, because that one, Epic right there, she's not so epic. I thought she's kind of that taupey, or that, kind of taupey brown, like, But I did use it, it was okay. But the shimmer, this one's cute. These last 3 are popping. I think my favorite is gonna have to be Fate and Prose, or one of those last 2 right here are gonna be my favorite out of this cute palette. I think this is a really good palette, especially if you like a gray smoky eye. This is the reason why I bought it, and I did get what I asked for. If you want to get this cute look though, because I did give you guys at least a tutorial to one, just stay tuned.
I hope that it will help you to do a better job. But if this brings you just a little closer to those men who are going into the hottest spots, I hope that it will help you to do a better job. Job.
Hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial, by the way. It is going to be a lyric. Y'all, I waited. I had to order this 2 days after they sold out on this. If you guys know, you know the tea. They sold out. I literally kept saying stuff on Instagram. Restock lyric, restock lyric. I said, I want lyric. I wanted lyric so bad over Crush. And it's funny because this palette, which I have on right now, beautiful look, right? Y'all, this palette is so classic. It's just, it gives you that nice kind of warm, browny, goldish, traditional, nice brown smokiness to it. It's just one of those traditional palettes that, well, this one gives you a glitter, a shimmer, and 2 mattes. And this one's Cello. That shimmer is very, very beautiful. And then the glitter, like I said, the glitter is pretty. I just think it still kicks your butt taking it off. Oh, the old one, this one, it's cooler than you think. So when you put it on, you may think, oh, it's like a warmer, lighter color, a lighter brown, that is. It's not a lighter brown, it's cooler. But that one is that Cello. See how beautiful that is. It's gonna be so glossy on my eyes when it's hot outside. It's gonna be so pretty. And then the shimmer Melody, y'all, this shimmer is wet. It's like silky. See that gold? And I know we've all probably had shimmer champagne gold. It's so silky. It's very wet. And it's nice. It's like silk. I love it. Look, and it just stretches and stretches the more you rub it. It's just so pigmented and silky. So this palette was a good one. I'm glad I did wait for it before I used any of these palettes. I'm glad I did wait and catch it again on the restock, because this one was the first one I wanted hardcore. I was like, I want that bad. And it was worth the wait, because I'm like, this is a beautiful eye look. Beautiful. And again, 5 colors, 10 bucks. Cute. And the next one, this one is Crush. This cute, warm, beautiful palette, y'all. This one gives you 3 mattes and a matte with shimmer and then a shimmer. So this one does not have a pressed glitter in it. I'm glad it does not. And maybe that's why it's my favorite, but y'all, this palette is the type that literally comes out effortless on your eyes. So you can do any color, any blending, any kind of technique. You can do a halo eye, you can do a smoky eye, you can do anything. And these colors are they're just gonna work. It's like the warm basics, but it's just so good. And that color struck, that kind of shimmer and all. Oh. The look I got with this, y'all, was just so effortless. I literally did it, I did it like in 8 minutes. It was so quick to do this look with Crush. So my favorite is Struck in this palette. And also I like how petite these are. It's just so cute. The first shade I put on was Love, and that's that light orangey matte. I put it on and I said, oh, that's nice. It blended out very, very nicely. So I like that. And then I went on to Struck, because I was like, I gotta touch it. I touched Struck, it was gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And that shimmer stays put because it's not glitter and you're not afraid of it getting your eye. It's perfect. And then Arrow was gorgeous. It went on there, blended very nice and smooth. That dark brown, gorgeous, gonna use that out. But y'all, my second favorite color out of this palette, y'all, is literally Bow. If you guys see in my inner corner, I love a light matte inner corner. I don't know why, I guess I feel like shimmer if your eyes, because my eyes are very sensitive. If you guys maybe not seen on this channel, waterline and my tear duct is just so sensitive. One little poke in my eyes, like, oh, crying. But I love this. I love when they're matte and it's very, very pigmented. I am still I love when they have light mattes and they're pigmented on my skin. Even without a Morphe base that I use or a lighter base, I love when they come out just even when I'm swatching it, look when I swatch it, look how bright that is. That's no primer, nothing on my hand. Her Struck was but then when I put Bow on, I was like, oh. So this one is one of my favorites so far out of these cute little Lovestruck collections. I'm gonna be using a mess out of this, especially summertime, a nice warm look on the eye. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It's a wrap. Get this one, it's the best. This is Amor. So this is the traditional, beautiful, romantic kind of palette, like a mini little romantic palette. I think the size of these are just freaking adorable. So I think in these palettes, you get a shimmer, you get a matte with shimmer, and then you get just mattes, and then you get glitters in these, pressed glitters, I believe. So this one gives you a shimmer with matte, then it gives you just a matte, and then they give you a shimmer, and then a regular light matte, and then they give you that pressed glitter right in the middle. My favorite shade is actually going to be Romeo out of this palette. It is so pretty. It has gold shimmer in it, but it's a nice mauve color. It's so pretty and it's matte, so you get that shimmer without extra glitter and all that rah-rah in there. I did use all colors in all of these palettes, y'all, because it's literally 5 shades and that's enough for top, bottom, everything. And then the mattes perform very beautifully, even the light and the darker one. I don't like glitters per se, but these were not bad. They were cute. They did accent. I did pop this right on my lid. That shade was Affair, that glitter right in the middle. This one was a cute little romantic palette. I do have palettes like this, so to me, I wasn't so raw about the colors, but I think it's really cute to just have this in your bag. If you're going out somewhere, you're traveling, just have a cute little thing in your bag, a cute little palette, especially if you're going out to nice dinners and whatnot. I think this would be a really pretty one. These palettes are quite affordable, 10 bucks. I hope they keep up with this style because I think this little bite-sized kind of mini palettes are very good, especially for just the 5 shades. And then you give us a shimmer, a matte with shimmer, and a glitter. And I think this is really cute that you give us the little variation with just 5 little colors. And I think they should stick up with this. And 10 bucks for each of these is really, really good. To me, if it was under 10 bucks, it'd be even better. And if it's my opinion, my 2 favorite are Crush and Lyric. I would get either one of these. Either one. You can get the classic Lyric or you can get Crush, which gives you that traditional nice warmth, but it's just so versatile. I do recommend these 2 over the Amor and Ballad, but all of these were very, very beautiful looks. I say snag them up, and if they come out with more, snag up some more too. So again, guys, I thank you for watching me, which is Nelly Doing Things. And guys, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things. And also don't forget to leave a comment below. Which one is your favorite palette out of actually the 5? Even though I only have 4, but tell me which one you like the most. And also don't forget to hit the notification button while you're down there as well. And you guys already know what I'm about to say. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Bye.